Welcome to Diamond Education Hub's Teaching Tips, sharing some of our top teaching ideas, resources and advice in bite-sized videos, helping teachers to improve their practice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your students' teaching and learning experience by creating your own teaching resources using iMovie. The skill that I'll be teaching today is how to make a video clip to improve writing. If you want to see how to create a short video clip to improve writing, keep watching. Click on the iMovie icon on your desktop and this screen will appear. Then click on Create a New. Then this tab will appear, Movie or Trailer. You want Movie. Then this screen will appear. Click on the downward pointing arrow and then click on the drive or the place where you stored your images or your video clips. You can also create a video using pictures. It's the same process and you get the same results. Once you have clicked on your storage folder, check that you have the correct images or videos that you need to create your video clip. Then import the files into your media file on iMovie by pressing Command V and then clicking on each clip that you want to use. Now these images will now be stored under My Media. Now click on the image and a yellow box will appear around it with a plus sign in the corner. Click on the plus sign and it will appear in your media timeline. Now we are going to add transitions to blend the clips together to improve the quality of the overall video clip. Select the transition that you like and then drag it onto your media timeline. To improve the clip further and to help the students to engage with what they see, add some audio. Go to the Audio tab and click, and then select the relevant sounds that you want to attach to your video clip. I've used two sound files, crickets and forest, to help the students to become more engaged when looking at the video clip. By clicking on the clock, you can reduce the speed of the video clip. Your video clip should look something like this. Go to the box with the arrow in it at the top right-hand side of your screen and click this icon to upload and save your file. Click on File and give it a title and then click Next. and wait for the circle to turn solid white. And this message will appear on your screen in the top right-hand corner. Click on Show and it will open your file for you. You can start to use your video clip to promote writing in your classroom. You could begin by asking your students to describe the skin of the giraffe. You could ask them to describe their habitat. Another question you could ask is, what do you think it would be like to have such a long neck? There are so many writing opportunities from this simple video clip. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more videos from me. Thank you for watching.